Welcome back, Profit Takers. So today, Thursday, which is also represented as day 2 in the weekly um, cycle, okay? Which can also be, so Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday can be choppy days, but we know we've had some pretty choppy days already with the news. The timing has been different. These trades have been going off later in the end of the sessions. So I was like, okay, so these guys, because I'm noticing Monday and Wednesday, the trades that did quote unquote trend, it happened at noon, which is 1 o'clock Eastern. So I'm like, okay, do these guys come back from lunch and then decide to go ahead and get back to work? You know what I mean? So, so today, guys, this is the Dow, right? We have, kind of ugly. We have, of course, 3 days low, right? We had a closing breakout on Friday. The breakout failed on Monday. We broke the other side of the range on Tuesday. So, this is day 1, day 2, and then this is our trade day, right? And unfortunately, this trade happened all in one freaking bar. you know, just fantastic for the news. Didn't really give us much of an opportunity. And then at noon, this is when that last part of the bounce occurred. And then it ended up closing in breakout. So closing in breakout long just means that we're looking for a dump and pump. All right, so it has already started to break down. Looks like it triggered previous day high. And we're also above a major level last Friday, last Monday. Okay, so here we are. We've already triggered this area. So it appears that we may continue to break down for today. We've triggered previous day high 3 times, and usually after 3 times the 33 trade, we get a reversal, right? We have all the signs of a reversal with this half a bat pattern that they gave us anyway. So I'm really confident in this reversal. Is it going to reverse all day? I don't know. But obviously I'm looking for that lower low to settle and then pump up one more time, right? So this level yesterday, right? Perhaps maybe it'll pump back up into this area and then give us an opportunity to take this first bounce, if you will. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at. If it presents, great. It could also be the opposite, right? It could come down here and just continue to go on up. Don't know. But I'll be looking for, if it comes back to the previous level, or maybe it could also come all the way back to closing price. And if it does that, guys, and starts to break down, oh yeah, that'd be freaking awesome. Okay, that'd be awesome. It's 9 o'clock Eastern, so we still have a little bit of time, while this thing is setting up. And again, this is YM. And the other one I was looking at was ES, because it was also looking, which is S&P, had the same situation, right? Where we were, go back to H1 here. This is actually not quite there for this major level. Sorry, this is kind of ugly. So this one broke out, and obviously that's what we're looking for when it comes to the pump and the close and breakout, where it dumps and pumps, right? We have the higher high, it's dumping, And perhaps since it did trigger the previous day high, right, triggered that level, perhaps we're going to get an opportunity for this range expansion, right? It could totally, do that, right? Or it could, because it isn't breakout, right? We want to see this thing do the dump and pump, right? But again, who knows, right? It could totally not do that either. Come back to this level and it could reverse. And it could just reverse for today and then tomorrow continue to go to this level, right? Because I do believe it's still looking for that to reach that area there. So I just don't know when it's going to happen. So we just have to watch to see how it sets up, right? And again, I'm looking for the opportunity in the third hour, which is 9 o'clock for me, 10 o'clock Eastern, to see if I get an opportunity to take this trade, whether it's going to pump or maybe it gets resistance and it breaks down. I don't know. Alrighty. But it is kind of giving signs that, perhaps this thing is going to give us a range expansion and it's going to continue to head towards the previous week high. That'd be great. If so, it'd be fantastic. But we just wait and see. But, I have some kind of a plan here, and that's really all I can hope for. And, if the opportunity presents itself, then we go forward. And if not, then we adjust. All right. That's all we got to do. All right, guys. So that was it. Short and sweet. And we'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.